Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Wednesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 10th of July 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.13%, settling the day at 39,291.97 while Nasdaq ended the session at 18,430.56, rising 0.15%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 41,650.19 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,653.90. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,484.50, indicating a muted start for the Indian market. FII bought 314.46 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Russia and India agreed to increase cooperation in sectors ranging from nuclear power to shipbuilding and discussed how to fix payments problems. Mahindra & Mahindra reduces top XUV 700 models price to 19.49 lakh rupees for 4 months. RBIDG urges CFOs of banks to maintain open, honest communication with auditors. Now talking about global aspects, inflation remains above the US Federal Reserve's 2% target, but has been improving in recent months, and more good data would strengthen, Powell testified. Oil and gas companies in Texas were restarting operations on Tuesday after Hurricane Beryl lashed the state. WTI settled at $81.41 losing 1.1%, while Brent settled at $84.66 a barrel, falling 1.3%. The dollar index is trading at 104.82. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.30%, up. Here is a recap of Tuesday's trading session. On Tuesday, the Indian benchmark indices Nifty resumed its winning trajectory after making fresh all-time high at 24,443.60 fueled by buying in large-cap stocks and foreign fund inflows. The Nifty index concluded at 24,433.20, while the Sensex ended the day at 80,351.64. Among sectors, automobile, pharma, consumer durables, and PSU Bank witnessed significant gains, whereas oil and gas, and energy encountered notable declines in trading volume and activities. Outlook for the day. The Nifty currently has significant support around the 24,100 levels. A breach of this support could lead to a further decline towards 23,800 levels. On the upside, the index encounters strong resistance near 24,500, close to its historical peak. A close above 24,500 may push the Nifty towards 24,700 levels. Consolidation is expected with resistance at 24,450 to 24,500 and immediate support at 24,200. Sustaining above 24,250 is crucial for further gains towards 24,600 and 24,700 levels. Bank Nifty, on the upside, the index encounters strong resistance near 53,200, close to its historical peak, while 52,000 will act as an immediate support zone. A close above 53,200 could ignite further buying momentum, potentially pushing the index towards the significant resistance level of 53,800. Stocks on radar are BBTC, Blue Star, Jubilant Ingrevia, Tega, KRBL. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.